In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and run rules in Asana for your project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to automate routine work so your tasks stay organized without constant manual updates. First, open the specific project where you want your rules to run. Rules live at the project level, so make sure you're in the right place before you start. If you collaborate in multiple teams or workspaces, double check the project name and consider whether you have the needed permissions to make changes. Next, head to the Rules area. Depending on your Asana layout, you'll either see a Rules tab or a Customize button in the top right of your project. Open that and look for the Rules section. This is your control center for automation. If you don't see it, you may be on a plan with limited rule options, or you might not have the right access in that project. Now decide whether to use an existing rule or create a new one. Templates are great if you need common automations, like moving tasks when their status changes. If you need something specific, choose to create a new rule. Starting fresh lets you tailor both the trigger and the action to match your team's workflow. Set the trigger that determines when your rule should run. Triggers can be things like moving a task to a different section, changing the assignee, adjusting the due date, adding a tag, or updating a custom field. Pick the one that maps to the real moment in your process when you want Asana to step in. Aim to keep it clear and unambiguous so the rule only fires when it truly should. Choose the automatic action Asana will take. This might include assigning the task to a teammate, adding a comment, moving it to a section, setting or shifting due dates, updating a custom field, or notifying a stakeholder. Think about the result you want every single time the trigger happens and select the action that removes a manual step from your day. Finally, save the rule and test that it works on your tasks. Create or edit a task so it meets the trigger you set. Then give Asana a moment to process. Refresh the project if needed, and check the task's activity to confirm the action occurred. If it didn't, review the trigger conditions and make sure the rule is enabled in the same project as your task. That's it. Your project now has a reliable automation working behind the scenes to keep everything moving smoothly.